Hello everybody, welcome to this week's edition of Taproom Tuesdays with Jay. We are promoting our new Golden Child Nitro Stout that we talked about. This is a partnership collaboration with our friends at Loma Brewing. Big shout out to Justin Peck for helping with this one. So Ian is going to show you how to pour a proper nitro can, and then I'm gonna hopefully attempt to do it as good as he does. I'll probably mess it up. So, let's see what we do.
So the idea, and you can see from the get-go, it says shake me, pour hard on the bottom. So it is, the nitrogen cans are dosed liquid nitrogen. Unlike any beer you've probably drank before that's not a nitrogen can, you really want to start by making sure that liquid nitrogen is fully diffused into your beer. So you are going to shake the shit out of it. A good 15-second hard shake. And then you're going to set it down, open straight up, and you're going to pour hard, straight down. And as it pours and you see it coming up, you're going to see a very classic nitrogen cascade. A lot of people would associate with a Guinness cascade, but that is that nitrogen slowly tumbling down to the bottom as the beer settles up to create a nice, hopefully, 2-finger, thick, creamy head at the top of the beer. So let's watch. Jay's got a nice cascade going.
I may have poured a beer a time or two.
Yeah.
Every once in a while I pour beer.
So yeah, really the hope for this beer is that you're getting the enjoyment of a nitrogen on draft at home. So you get the full creamy mouthfeel to go with the wonderful flavors in this beer. And so there, mine settled a tiny bit thin. Jay's looks like is going to settle
got
just
a finger and a half.
So then you have a nice creamy head and you can enjoy
Cheers.
Your nitro milk mustache.
Yay. So I think it's going to be nice to talk a little bit about some troubleshooting. I've been shaking these over the last couple of days, and what I've noticed from doing it with Ian and doing it properly, the most important thing to do after shaking is set it down and open it on a flat surface. If not, you're probably going to spray it all over yourself like I have in the last, couple of shifts. So there you have it. Please come hang out with us. We have our outdoor seating now available Wednesday through Sunday from 3 to 7. And until we see you next time, drink more beer.
Cheers.